You just had to do it, Google. You just had to go out there and do this. I wasn't planning on doing this video, but in light of some of the things that happened this week, I just can't stay silent. In case you don't know me, I'm Lucas, and I make crazy futuristic projects here on YouTube. Stuff like time machines and Marauders maps and all sorts of crazy stuff. And one of my favorite projects that I've ever done was actually something I did last year in the middle of quarantine. I was feeling pretty isolated, pretty lonely. I hadn't talked to my friends and family for many months. So I decided to put my brain to solve this problem, and I created this crazy project that is a portal to someone else's room. In this case, my best friend from 3,000 miles away. So you can look through this hole in the wall, see their room, see your friend in real time, and talk with them like he was actually there. And it was amazing. Sure, it was a little rough around the edges. The whole thing was built in 7 days, but it was a really cool concept, and it showed you how we can use technology to talk to people and interact with them like they were physically there. And then Google came up, and yesterday they announced a most curious project. See if you can spot some of the similarities.
We call it Project Starline.
Eddie!
So, you look beautiful.
I could feel her and see her, and it was this like 3D experience.
Beautiful.
And then you just start having a conversation, just like you would if you were physically together.
Like, I feel like you're here. This is wild!
It's really like a magical hole in the wall that connects you to the people you love.
What is this? It looks like they're talking to someone in prison. It's like a magical portal on your wall, and you can just interact with the other person in the room like they're actually there. It's the same thing. And sure, their version uses different technologies and is better in every single way, but I did it first. Look at my project. Look at how I start a call. This is how you start a call. With the sledgehammer, you terrify your friends so you can then connect with them. It's the perfect user experience. No, honestly, I'm scared. I don't know what they're gonna steal next. Is it gonna be my musical instruments? Where does this end? So what are you gonna do, Google? What are you gonna do to make this right? You could support me on Patreon. I actually created a tier just for you. Look, the Backstabber, $1,000 a month. You can actually support me with this. I don't know what to do. So here I am making this video, hoping that the good guys win. Yeah, Project Starlight, more like Project Shit Night.